it's Helgen Place here, and today we're diving into something interesting. Party craft cheat codes. Are they real or fake? Let's test them out and find out together. Here's the first code, 0011. So apparently, if you type this code, you will unlock a special in-game feature or item. Let's test it out. Let's see if it is real or busted. Looks like nothing happened, so this code is busted. Moving on to the second code. Second code is 0022. So apparently, if you type this code, it will grant you access to exclusive content within the game. Let's find out if it is true or busted. Let's see. So apparently nothing happened again, so this code is busted again. Let's move on to the third code. So the third code is 0033. So apparently if you use this code, you will receive a bonus or unlock a hidden feature. Let's test it out. So let's start. 0033. So apparently it's busted again. So far none of the codes work. Let's move on to the fourth code. The fourth code is 0044. Apparently if you use this code, it will provide an advantage or special item in the game. So let's test it out. Let's test it out, guys. So apparently it's busted again. Let's move on to the final code. I hope this really works. So the final code is 0055. If you enter this code, you will unlock a unique feature or bonus. So this code, let's see if it works. 0055. So apparently this code is busted. None of the codes work. So don't fall for any scams or codes. Test it out for yourself. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep gaming. Peace out.